Cece Wong here from Orlando, Florida. One of the things that distinguishes an average agent from an excellent agent that is best in your city is your skill of negotiation. This is really important because most agents really do not have that skill and have not worked on it and honed on it and practiced. But that is one thing that I pursue because I want to deliver the best results so that my customers are excited to share with their friends and family about my service to them and how I have over-delivered for them. And so one of the tools that I use to practice and hone in on my negotiation skills is this book that I'm about to share with you. But real quick, let me share with you how it actually helped me just last week with buyers that I was working with. I was able to help them receive 6 times more than the original offer from the seller in repair credit. Or their original offer was $400, even though the house needed a new roof and a new AC, but they only offered $400. And so we were able to bring up their offer to $1,800. And so I called the buyers with the great news and they were really excited. From $400 to $1,800, the buyers were like, okay, great, we'll take it. But instead of just telling the seller, okay, the buyers will take it, I implemented the tool from this book. And instead, I got back that the seller is going to contribute $2,300. Just from that one extra push, we got $500 extra. And so I did not tell the buyer that I was going to go back to try to get more. We simply had agreed with the buyer that $1,800 is great. And so what I did, I used this opportunity to call back my buyers and share with them exciting news. Not only is the seller going to, provide that $1,800 they promised, they're actually going to give more, $2,300 in total. And the buyers were just so excited because this was above and beyond what they were expecting. And so I want to share with you this tool. It's called Never Split the Difference. This is an excellent, excellent book. This author was actually a former FBI negotiator. And he just talks about how you never want to split the difference. You want to get the most you can for who you represent. But what I love about it is that it really encourages a collaboration method, and it's not in your face putting down the other person. It actually just, the genius of it is how you get to negotiate to make both sides feel like a win-win, but you're getting the benefit for who you're representing. So there's this one section here, and it is how you get your counterparts to negotiate to bid against themselves. And this section is essentially what I did with these sellers, and we were able to bring up the offer price. So I definitely recommend, there's so many good things in here. I first listened to the audiobook. It was free from my local library audio app. And as I was listening to it, I actually went and bought it because I knew that I wanted to reference this and keep reading this over and over again. So I hope this is helpful for you this year as you seek to provide the best results for your customers in 2020. If there's anything I can do for you here from Orlando, all of Central Florida, let me know. I also have networks with agents all around the country. So if you need to connect with an agent anywhere else, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to be able to serve you, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.